I had to do a little research on the power steering stuff. So I'm not really thrilled with the components that the Factory 5 kit came with. So had to place an order, get some new lines and stuff. But while I was at it, I was also looking into possible, more than likely, pressure problem between the GM power steering pump and Mustang 2 rack. So the GM pump, I guess, I had two questions, whether it was flow or pressure. And from what I understand, the issue is more so flow. So you need to put in a flow restrictor to knock down the flow. GM pump, I think, puts out like 3 gallons per minute. And the Mustang 2 rack needs about, I think it's like, a lot of it's dependent upon weight and stuff, but I think around 1.3-ish for this light of a vehicle. But this is the flow restrictor I got here. Let's see if I can show part number. There's the part number. And I'll put a link in the description for this video too, where you can get it. But it, let's flip this around and show you where it's going. So here's the high pressure side here, so this is where it's going to go.